move last Friday, and since then has been around those levels of around 360. But Thermax is celebrating its 60th anniversary this year, and who started off as a boiler maker in 1966 is now undergoing a significant strategic shift to become a leading new energy solutions provider. My colleague Vinny Motiwala caught up with its MD and CEO Ashish Bhandari, where he shares his views on the performance of the subsidiaries and the chemicals business. Listen into a slice of that conversation.
As we continue to look to the future, many of our businesses we are incubating. Yeah, hydrogen is a great example where over the last year and over the next 3 years, we will be investing more than 100 crores in just establishing a hydrogen business. And we know for the next couple of years, substantial revenues won't show up. Yeah, but we know they are the right investments to make as we look at energy transition and as we look at Thermax of the future. Bio-CNG is also one such example of where we have made significant investments. TOSEL is the place where we provide green energy, which is steam or power, to our customers on a build-own-operate basis. It's a fantastic story where we have now done more than 50 plants in India for our customers. And one of the best examples that I can share with you is one of the biggest names in F&B for their noodle plant in Gujarat, which was coming up. They shifted from using coal or fossil fuels to using biomass-based steam, because to make noodles, you need a lot of steam. And Thermax built that plant for them on a build-own-operate basis using local agro waste which comes from that local geography, groundnut shells, whatever else was available, converting that into steam to the customer on a guaranteed basis. So the customer is guaranteed a plant uptime, availability of steam, and all things considered. The customer has liked the model so much that on multiple plants across India, they are moving completely to this plant. So that is what TOSEL can do. Yeah, last FEPL, which is our foray into renewable energy and renewable power, that business we have invested in and we continue to grow. Our plan is that we will grow it to 1 gigawatts for our customers, and at that point we will bring a suitable partner in to scale that business up as we look forward.
Okay, suitable. Once you'll reach that scale, when the new partner will come?
It should be within the next couple of years.
Okay, within the next couple of years. Ashish, what about order book, order growth that you're seeing? Because I think you all had mentioned 20%, more than 20% growth for FY26 in terms of orders. Given, how things are going or how we are talking about things moving, what is the growth that one could expect in terms of order book now?
Because we have done just closed the quarter, it would be wrong for me to share specifics, but I am consistent
on a long-term basis.
On a long-term basis, at least for the period that I have visibility into right now, the messaging that I had shared, that this should be a good year for Thermax overall on the orders side. Across all our business verticals, I stand by that. Yeah, Industrial Infra, where we are starting to share visibility on bigger projects, the numbers are there to see. Industrial products also, we will have good visibility. Businesses like cooling, which we are here today, have got good tailwinds with some of the newer sectors looking at. Some of the other businesses like chemicals, where we have invested heavily, we would like to see that growth come through. It hasn't come so far to the extent that we would like, but we have invested in new plants, new capabilities, and I'm confident that growth will come through. For Thermax, driven by India's largest story around development, a growth of 7% that India is going through, a strong international capability that we have, emergence of newer sectors that I talked about, and re-emergence of old sectors like thermal power, which have now come back in a strong way, give me ample confidence that the coming period, Thermax will show the growth that I would like to see the company is capable of.
So good growth like what we're seeing right now, or better?
Or better.
Or is what one could see?
What one could see.
The exclusive conversation with the management of Thermax, the company celebrating its 60th year in 2026. But it's time for CNBC TV18's new offering.